Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome to our social studies class. Now children, as you all know, we have finished with our lesson number 1, physical features of India. So today we are going to start with our lesson number 2, soils of India. Right? The different kind of soils there are there in Indian territory. Now page number 21. New words: aerate, humus, erosion, manure, pores, silt, vegetation, embankment, deforestation, and moles. In today's class, we are going to study about formation of soil, how soil is formed. So let's begin.
Formation of soil. Let's start. Learners, observe the two pictures given below. Which of the picture shows the use of the soil? Write your answers on the placard. Let us learn about the concept of soil. Soil is the top layer of the surface of the earth where plants grow and animals live. It is also the layer that contains water. It is composed of sand, mud, humus, and minerals. Formation of soil. Soil is formed by the weathering or breaking down of rocks. Due to the continuous process of weathering, soil is constantly formed and deposited on the surface of the earth. This process has been going on for millions of years. Weathering takes place in two ways. First, by water. Fast flowing rivers carry rocks that grind against each other and break into smaller pieces. Over a period of time, the pieces become smaller and smaller. Finally, they turn into sand, mud, and soil. The river carry this soil with them and deposit it on the banks along their way. Waves can also cause weathering by continuous beating against rocks, causing them to break. By wind. Wind carries the loose particles of mud and gravel from one place to another. These particles crash against rocks and mountains with great speed. It wears down the edges of rocks and mountain sides. Due to continuous process of weathering, layers of soil keep getting deposited. Plants grow in the soil, die, and finally get mixed with it. Similarly, small life forms like insects, worms, etc. also mix in the soil. These dead plants and animals provide the soil with its nutrients and make the soil fertile. Thus, a thick layer of soil is formed. Let's look at some examples. In the following picture, you can see the process of formation of soil explained with the help of a diagram. Let's quickly check our understanding of the concepts learned today. Read the statements given below. Raise your hand if the fact is true. First, formation of soil is a quick process. Second, wind carries the loose particles of mud and gravel from one place to another. Third, weathering takes place in three ways: by water, by fire, and by wind. Fourth, fast flowing rivers carry rocks that grind against each other and break into smaller pieces. Fifth, dead plants and animals destroy the soil. Sixth, waves also cause weathering by continuously beating against rocks, causing them to break. Let us now see how many correct responses we got. Wind carries the loose particles of mud and gravel from one place to another. Fast flowing rivers carry rocks that grind against each other and break into smaller pieces. Waves also cause weathering by continuously beating against the rocks, causing them to break.
So children, I hope you all understood how soil is formed, right? By the water and by the wind, right? So read the lesson, underline the difficult words. In the next class we are going to study about the layers of soil, the topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. And then we will see what is the importance of soil, why soil is very important for us. So I'll see you in your next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.